Hello everyone, welcome to Cynthia Montana channel. Now I'm gonna talk about Automata or ATA. Before I started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just gonna give you some prediction using a technical analysis. We're gonna start with the ATA per BUSD here. The current price is at this one, at the pink one side here, and trying to push it to the yellow one. For the pink one side here is a middle band on the 1.6514 US dollar, right? And if they go up, then it will try to go push it to the yellow one. At the upper band here is slightly on the 1.9518 US dollar, right? But if they go down again, then it will try to push it to the purple one here. The purple one here is at 1.6514 US, sorry, 1.3510 US dollar. For this one, the RSI stochastic is on the neutral position, not overbought, not oversold, right? So if there is a, you don't have any position, then you can enter on this pink side here or in the purple one side here, right? On the moving average is already at the pink one and the yellow one here at the 1.61, right? 1.6 in here. But if they go down again to close this one, close this gap, right, it's slightly on the 0.9 or at 1 here. For the daily chart, we're gonna see on the daily chart, basically the highest is at 4.9 and the current price here is only at 1.6. And I think it's having correction, go push it to the yellow one here, the moving average 7 here on the 1.4752 US dollar, right? And if they go down again, go to push it to the pink one side here, the moving average 25 on the 0.8166 US dollar. For the Bollinger Band here is already making this chart candlestick, sorry, then try to push it to the pink one side here, right, to close this one, the big volume of like 5 days before to the pink one here at the 0.874 US dollar. So this is all about it. For the RSI also is already overbought zone. Okay, thank you everyone for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any question, just let me know. Put your comment below.